Chapter 2, Counting in Groups. Students, let's count the number of balloons on the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, there are total 6 balloons. Generally, counting with this method may take some long time. So now, I will teach you a simple method. That method is called counting in small groups. So, let's start. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Now, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So, 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. So, there are total 6 balloons. Now let's see this example. Let us count number of balls in small groups. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 and 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So, 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 9. So, there are total 9 balls. Let us solve this example. Let us count number of flowers with small groups. 3 plus 4 is 7 and 7 plus 5 is how much? Count and tell me. Right, 7 plus 5 is 12. So, 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 12. So, there are total 12 flowers on the board. Counting in pairs. Now we are going to learn how to count objects in pairs. What is a pair? A pair is a group of 2 objects. Students, there are some ice creams on the board. These ice creams are arranged in pairs. Let us count total number of ice creams. Students, tell me, there are how many pairs in the first row? 2 pairs of 2 ice creams each. 2 pairs of 2 ice creams each. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So there are 4 ice creams in the first row. Now you tell me, students, there are how many pairs in the second row? Correct. 2 pairs of 2 ice creams each. So 2 pairs of 2 ice creams each. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So there are 4 ice creams in the second row. Now 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So there are total 8 ice creams on the board. Let us solve this example. There are some chocolates on the board. These chocolates are arranged in pairs. Let us count number of pairs and number of chocolates. Students, count and tell me there are how many pairs in the first row? 1 and 2. So there are 2 pairs in the first row. 2 pairs of 2 chocolates each. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So there are 4 chocolates in the first row. Now let us count number of pairs in the second row. In the second row, there are 1, 2 and 3. 3 pairs in the second row. 3 pairs of 2 chocolates each. So, 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to how much? Students, count and tell me. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 and 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. There are total 6 chocolates in the second row. Students, now you count and tell me there are how many pairs in the third row? There are 4 pairs in the third row. So, 4 pairs of 2 chocolates each. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to how much? Let's count. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. And 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So, there are total 8 chocolates in the third row. Now let us count total number of chocolates. That is 4 plus 6 plus 8. Tell me students, how much is 4 plus 6? Right, 4 plus 6 is 10. And how much is 10 plus 8? Count and tell me. Correct, that is 18. So there are total 18 chocolates on the board. Let us take this example. Students, tell me there are how many pairs in the first row? In the first row, there are 3 pairs. 3 pairs of 2 stars each. So, total there are 6 stars in the first row. There are total 4 pairs in the second row. 4 pairs of 2 stars each. So there are total 8 stars in the second row. Students, now you count and tell me there are how many pairs in the third row? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are 5 pairs containing 2 stars each. 5 pairs of 2 stars each. Let us count total number of stars. 6 plus 8 plus 10. You help me, students. How much is 6 plus 8? Correct. 6 plus 8 is 14. And how much is 14 plus 10? 24. There are total 12 pairs containing 2 stars each. So there are total 24 stars on the board. Now let us solve this example. Students, there are some balls on the board. These balls are arranged in groups. So look at these groups and answer my questions. Let us solve. Tell me, students, there are total how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are total 6 groups. Tell me, students, there are how many balls in each group? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are 4 balls in each group. Let us count total number of balls. There are 6 groups. There are 4 balls in each group. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 6 groups, 4 balls in each group. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 4 is how much? 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. So there are total 24 balls on the board. Total 6 groups. 4 balls in each group. So total there are 24 balls. Count and tick the correct answer. This is an apple. It has some seeds. Seeds are more than 10 or less than 10. Let us find out. Let's count the number of seeds in this apple. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this apple has 5 seeds. Tell me, students, 5 is more than 10 or less than 10? Tell me. Correct. 5 is less than 10. So this apple has less than 10 seeds. Now let us solve this example. Sticks. This is a bundle of sticks. Let us find out whether they are more than 10 or less than 10. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So, there are total 12 sticks in this bundle. Tell me students, 12 is more than 10 or less than 10? Think and tell me. 12 more than 10 or less than 10? Correct. 12 is more than 10. Let us take this example. Chocolates in a box. Let's find out whether these chocolates are more than 20 or less than 20. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there are total 15 chocolates in this box. Tell me students, 15 is more than 20 or less than 20? Think and tell me. Correct. 50 is less than 20. 15 is less than 20. Now let us solve this example. There are some apples on the board. These apples are arranged in pairs. Let us find out whether total number of apples is more than 10 or less than 10. Let's count. There are 2 pairs in the first row. There are 2 pairs in the second row. So there are total 4 pairs consisting 2 apples in each pair. So tell me students, there are how many total apples? 4 pairs containing 2 apples each. That is equal to 8. So there are total 8 apples. Tell me students, 8 is more than 10 or less than 10? 8 more than 10? No. Correct. 8 is less than 10. So our correct answer is less than 10. So 8 is less than 10. Let's solve this example. There are stars on the board. These stars are arranged in pairs. Let's find out whether total number of stars are more than 20 or less than 20. Let's count. There are total 5 pairs in the first row and 6 pairs in the second row. So tell me students, what is the total number of pairs? 5 plus 6, that is equal to 11. So there are total 11 pairs containing 2 stars each. Tell me, students, now what is the total number of stars? 11 pairs with 2 stars each. So that is equal to 22. So we have 22 stars. Now tell me, students, whether 22 is more than 20 or less than 20? Think and tell me. More than 20 or less than 20? Correct. 22 is more than 20. 22 is more than 20. Ascending and descending order. Join the dots in their ascending order. Start from the smaller number and go towards the bigger number. Students, now let us join these dots to get the tail. Remember, we have to join the dots in their ascending order. Let us start. We have to start from the smallest number. Let's find out the smallest number. Smallest number. Is that number 44 or number 51? 41, 49, 40. So 40 is the smallest number. So let's start from 40. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51 and 52. Wow! So our picture is complete. Join the dots to get the picture. Students, let us join these dots and let's see what picture we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Wow! Our picture is ready. This is a tree. Arrange in ascending order. Let us arrange these numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means the smallest number will come first. So, let's find out the smallest number. Tell me, students, which is the smallest number? 69? No. Then 61. 61 is the smallest number. Tell me, students, which number will come after 61? Number 64. After 64, from these numbers, 85? No. 69. After 69, number 70. Now you tell me, students, which number will come after number 17 from these numbers? Tell me. Correct. 85. Which number will come after number 85? Let's find out. Number 97. So, we have arranged these numbers in their ascending order. 61, 64, 69, 70, 85 and 97. Arrange in descending order. Now let us arrange these numbers in their descending order. Descending order means the biggest number will come first and then the series will continue. Tell me, students, which is the biggest number from these numbers? 93. Number 93 is the biggest number from these numbers. So let us write 93. Tell me, students, which number will come after 93 from these numbers? 35? No. Then 64. Which number will come after number 64? Number 35. Tell me, students, which number will come after number 35 from these numbers? Look at the board and tell me. Number 29. What is after 29? Number 16. After 16, number 7. So, we have arranged these numbers in their descending order. 93, 64, 35, 29, 16 and 7. Complete the group of 10. There are some balls on the board. We have to complete the group of 10. So let's count number of balls. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are 5 balls on the board and we have to complete group of 10. So tell me students, how many balls are missing? We have 5 balls. We have to complete group of 10. So there are 5 balls missing. So I have to draw 5 more balls. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the group of 10 is complete. There are some trees on the board. We have to complete the group of 10. So let's count number of trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we have 7 trees on the board and we have to complete group of 10. So tell me students, how many more trees are required? We have 7. We need 10. So 3 more trees are required. So let's draw 3 more trees. 1, 2 and 3. So our group of 10 is complete.